Let me show you something amazing that comes out of this waterfall. A rainbow! Hello from one of the most popular places near Reykjavik, the Blue Lagoon. Say about to go in, shower before. They advise you to put conditioner in your hair because it can really dry out your hair, but whatever, I'm not going to worry about that. The water is actually not blue, I learned that. It's milky white, but because of the reflection on the sky, it turns blue. But here we go, Iceland. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm out of the Blue Lagoon. Do I look any different? Because I did 3 whole different face mask treatments. So I'm not sure how my skin looks, but see this place right here, that's like a swim up bar, and you can get drinks. And I highly recommend it, super relaxing, and the contrast between the hot and cold air is great. So if you come to Iceland, if you're near Reykjavik, definitely check out the Blue Lagoon. Look at this, it's for real. How high up it goes, and we're just like right next to it. The amazing thing about Iceland is that you're just driving from point A to point B, and all of a sudden you realize you're driving by a ginormous waterfall. So of course you have to stop and you have to go up all these stairs. How many stairs do you think there are? I'm gonna count them going on my way up, so make your guesstimate now. That's a lot of stairs. Oh, I'm ready.